if you're like me and somehow weren't able to get into the beta of Harry Potter Hogwarts Mysteries, I have an alternative for you. A delicious alternative. This is the best butterbeer recipe that I've ever tried. And it's very, very simple. You only have a few ingredients, and you can make it alcoholic, or for you underage wizards, non-alcoholic. You're going to start off with 2 cups of ginger ale. Then you need a teaspoon of butter, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, some cinnamon for sprinkling on the top, and then you are going to want butterscotch schnapps if you're over 21. And again, for the underage wizards, you're going to want some honey. Now, to get started, you're going to want to put your ginger ale into the microwave for about 2 minutes till it's nice and warm. Once you have your ginger ale heated up, the next thing you're going to do is you're going to grab that butter and you're just going to plop it on in there. Your ginger ale will fizz at this point. Then you're just going to want to start stirring it up, and it's going to fizz, and that's a good thing. That means it's getting the butter all dissolved and everything. Once your butter is completely dissolved, you're going to want to put in your brown sugar. Again, once you put it in, you're going to want to stir it, and it'll get nice and frothy. Get that nice head on the butterbeer. Once you have that all mixed up, now it's time to divvy it up into 2 glasses. Well, you don't have to. You could drink it by yourself, and then in which case you would only need 1 glass. But I'm going to pour it nice and hard and get that foam up. Split it nice and evenly. All right. So for the next step, if you're able to drink your alcoholic version, you'll want to grab your butterscotch schnapps. And take 1 shot. So you're going to put 1 shot of butterscotch schnapps, put it in your alcoholic drink. Now for your underage drink, you're just going to want to take some honey, and you're just going to pour it right in there. Just enough to taste. And after that, you're going to want to stir them both up 1 more time. I'd recommend a fork for this. And again, your butterscotch schnapps should be, or your butterbeer should be warm enough so that the honey is going to melt right in there. Okay, then mix up the alcoholic one. And last thing that you're going to want to do is you're going to grab your cinnamon and you're just going to sprinkle it right on top of there. Cheers. For more news about Harry Potter Hogwarts Mystery and Harry Potter Wizards Unite, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. Also make sure you hit that bell. And below those, in the description, you'll find my Twitter and Instagram handles, and you can go ahead and follow me on those. And if you want to check out my last video, I got it posted right here. And thanks again, you guys. I do all these videos for you. You are what makes this channel happen. And so I just wanted to say thanks, and I hope you have a magical day. I'm getting to the good part.